Hello everyone. So today I am reorganizing my beauty space, my filming area, reorganizing some of my makeup drawers that I have in here with some of the makeup in them. I mainly wanted to have a desk in front of the windows over here so that when I got ready I could have natural light so it would be easier to do my makeup. If I turn my studio lights on, it just gets really hot, and my master bedroom is fairly large, so just the light from the ceiling doesn't really help, if that makes sense. So every time I was doing my makeup, I was like turning towards the windows and I didn't have a desk there or anything, so it made it quite difficult and annoying. So I bought a desk and reorganized my everyday makeup space kind of a deal, reorganized my filming setup. So my background will be a little bit different from now on my videos. You'll have to let me know if you like it or not. I'm still kind of playing around with it. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not, but I will definitely let you know in the future. So this video is definitely more vlog style rather than formal like sit down in front of my background and film kind of video. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this cleanup reorganize kind of video. Before we get started, if you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring your guys' notification bell so you guys can be notified for all my future videos. And without further ado, if you guys want to see me reorganize my little beauty and filming setup, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is basically what I got so far. Everything's pretty much cleaned and reorganized and vacuumed, and I put these two little container-y flower potty things right here so that when I'm filming I can put those makeup brushes, whatever I'm going to use, into there so that I don't have my whole thing of makeup brushes there taking up a lot of room. And yeah, just my everyday makeup setup, then my more fancy setup, and the dog. That's about it. I'm excited. Now I have this big open space where it used to be pretty closed off. Now it's nice and open and I have room to walk over there and not be tripping over everything, so I think it'll be good. Okay, that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed. This is, oh, my drawer's not closed. Try this again. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video of everything set up. Again, you can kind of see what I got going on over here. I'm kind of liking it. I guess we'll have to see how it looks in the actual videos when I film, if it looks okay or not. I don't know how I'm feeling quite about this window yet, but maybe the lights make it look better. I don't know. So we'll have to see how it goes. But let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.